through the park we walked towards the Varvakios Central Market. So from this path we go into Varvakios Central Market of Athens just to explore and see the local market. This is the exhibition hall, and we're not supposed to go inside, but then there's a huge park in front of the exhibition hall. We came from that side, from the stadium. It's a quite nice looking park, and then we're going straight for the Varvakios Central Market. On the way to Varvakios Central Market, we found this beautiful structure of the church. So beautiful. This is Metropolitan Cathedral of Athens, and we can see Acropolis over there on the right hand side, and the huge square in front of the cathedral. And it's probably maybe one of the Pope between 1891 and 1949. And here this is for you in the front side. So beautiful. This is Kotzia Squares in Athens. This is the National Bank office of Athens, opposite to us. Lots of museums over here, and a nice water fountain. This is Omonia Square in Athens. Huge fountain. The Stani shop serves some deep fry snacks. I just came here to taste that. Let us see how it goes. This is a Stani restaurant or cafe in Athens, which was famous for their traditional snacks. Which I am having some dessert here. This is actually a traditional yogurt of sheep with walnut and honey with syrup, and this is how it looks like. The Ergon House was too busy, and so I had come to the another Ergon, which was next to that, a slower version. They serve only the pasta, pizza, toast, croissants and such things. So I thought I'd pick this one. I don't know how much I can eat. Whatever I eat. And water. Because I have something to catch in about half an hour or 1 hour. And it's a nice restaurant though, again. The only difference being, this is just Ergon and that is Ergon House, the big one. There is this market here, and lots of the second-hand stuff or maybe old stuff. But if you find a good bargain, it's good to buy things like even the souvenirs. But I was a bit not quite sure, because I have seen in the other shops the souvenirs are relatively acceptable price. There are so many varieties of olives here, and I don't know legally if I'm allowed to carry or not, but I'm taking a risk. I'm taking these sun-dried olives of half a kilo, and possibly another half a kilo of the spicy green olives. But all what actually they add, along with it an oil, or it could be some chili based stuff, or the oregano there, and maybe some sweet stuff. So many options. I came to this place called City Place. I think lots of graffiti work here and everywhere, but it seems like very much every wall has it. Every wall, every gate, every window, everywhere. So one more nice picture of this Greek